Gmail users are now facing the most sophisticated cyber threats ever seen, as hackers deploy AI-driven attacks that even the FBI has warned against. These new phishing campaigns are unlike anything before, leveraging artificial intelligence to craft emails and phone calls that perfectly mimic real companies, making it incredibly difficult for users to detect scams. This isn't just another security threat. This is a new era of cybercrime where attackers use AI to adapt, personalize, and refine their attacks in real time. AI-generated phishing emails now contain perfect grammar, realistic-looking sender addresses, and even dynamically generated text based on your past online activity. Traditional phishing relied on mass emails with generic wording, but now attackers use AI models trained on billions of online interactions to craft messages that appear entirely legitimate. If you've ever received an email from Google or a bank that looks suspicious, these AI attacks are designed to eliminate those red flags, making them nearly indistinguishable from real communications. These phishing campaigns go beyond just emails. Attackers now deploy deepfake voice calls where an AI-generated voice pretends to be a Google support agent, warning you of security breaches and prompting you to verify your login credentials. This is one of the most dangerous aspects of AI-powered cybercrime, the ability to create hyper-realistic phone calls that convince victims to reveal sensitive information. Imagine receiving a call that sounds exactly like a Google representative walking you through a security verification process, only to realize later that it was entirely faked by AI. Google has acknowledged the rise of these attacks and is now working on countermeasures. But the reality is that AI-driven cybercrime is evolving faster than security measures can adapt. Hackers are using AI to scan the web for leaked passwords, analyze security vulnerabilities, and automate attacks at a massive scale. Unlike human hackers who need time to strategize, AI can instantly generate new attack strategies based on a target's online activity. This means that if a hacker fails once, the AI can immediately tweak its phishing message and try again with an improved strategy. One of the most alarming reports states that nearly 5% of all phishing attacks are now powered by AI, and this number is expected to double within the next year. This isn't just affecting Gmail. Anyone using email, social media, or online banking is at risk. These attacks are already being seen across major platforms like Outlook, Yahoo Mail, and even corporate email networks, putting both personal users and businesses at high risk. The FBI has issued an advisory urging users to take proactive security measures, as these scams are no longer limited to unsophisticated attempts. To protect yourself from these AI-driven attacks, you need to take cybersecurity more seriously than ever before. First, enable two-factor authentication 2FA on all of your online accounts. Even if an attacker steals your password, 2FA adds an extra layer of protection that requires a verification code only you can access. Google offers strong 2FA options, including physical security keys, app-based authentication, and phone number verification, making it significantly harder for hackers to gain access to your account. Next, be extremely cautious of any unsolicited emails or phone calls requesting personal information. Even if an email looks official, avoid clicking on any links. Instead, manually navigate to the company's website to verify any claims. AI-generated phishing emails often include links that lead to cloned login pages, designed to capture your credentials as soon as you enter them. Always double-check the URL and ensure you are on the official website before entering any information. Another crucial step is to monitor your account activity regularly. Many AI attacks operate in stealth mode, meaning they gain access to your account but remain dormant for weeks or months, collecting data before executing a full-scale attack. By checking your Google account's security activity dashboard, you can spot unusual logins or devices accessing your account and take action before it's too late. Google has been rolling out new AI-driven security features to combat these threats, but cybercriminals are also using AI to evade detection. One emerging tactic is AI-generated captcha solvers, which allow hackers to bypass Google's anti-bot protections. This means that even accounts protected by captcha security are not completely safe. To stay ahead, users need to combine multiple layers of security, including password managers, biometric authentication, and advanced anti-phishing settings. Cybercriminals are now targeting high-value individuals, such as business executives, government officials, and tech professionals, using AI to craft personalized spear phishing attacks. If you are in a sensitive profession, be especially wary of any emails requesting financial transactions, login credentials, or urgent security updates. Companies should implement AI-powered threat detection software that can identify and block phishing attempts before they reach employees. Another major concern is AI-generated malware. Hackers are now using artificial intelligence to create undetectable malware that can infiltrate systems and steal data without triggering traditional security alarms. These self-evolving malware programs can change their code on the fly, making them incredibly difficult to detect and remove. This new breed of cyber threats requires real-time AI-driven cybersecurity solutions that can adapt as fast as the attackers. It's not just individuals who are at risk. Entire businesses are being compromised by AI-powered cyber attacks. Companies need to train employees on social engineering tactics and update their cybersecurity protocols to account for AI-driven threats. Traditional training that teaches employees to look for poor grammar and suspicious email addresses is no longer enough, as AI-crafted messages eliminate those common warning signs. Businesses must invest in proactive security solutions, including endpoint protection, behavior-based threat analysis, and AI-enhanced phishing detection. As cybercrime continues to evolve, the future of email security depends on how well we adapt to these AI-powered threats. The era of simple spam emails is over. We are now entering a new phase of cyber warfare where AI is being used against us. Governments, security firms, and tech companies must work together to create stronger AI defenses to counter these attacks before they become completely unmanageable. To stay safe, every Gmail user needs to take action today. Update your security settings, enable multi-factor authentication, and be skeptical of any unexpected messages or calls. The next phishing email you receive may not be from a human hacker. It could be an AI system designed specifically to trick you. The best way to defend yourself is by staying informed, using strong security measures, and always questioning anything that seems even slightly suspicious. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI threats and cybersecurity strategies. Have you ever encountered a suspicious email that seemed too real? Let us know in the comments below. Stay safe online and always be one step ahead of cybercriminals.